Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and subscribe to the channel? It helps other people on it when they post videos. Well, today we're going to be doing a carnivore meal, or really a keto meal for lazy, dirty keto. If you're doing dirty keto. Today we're going to be making some kielbasa, and we're going to be doing it in the air fryer, but not just kielbasa. We're going to be doing bacon. We're going to take the bacon, we're going to wrap it around the kielbasa and cook it up till it's fully cooked. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the kielbasa and cut it up probably in about 1 to 2 inch chunks, and wrap the bacon around it. One slice probably each should be sufficient, and then put a toothpick on it, and then probably put it on the air fryer for about 20 minutes until it's fully cooked, and we'll come back in the back room and sample it together. And you know, it's just okay for a small snack for an afternoon when you're hungry, or even for a meal. And yeah, so that's it, and I'll show you what bacon we're going to be using. Regular store-bought bacon from Market Basket, nothing special. And then we're going to be using the Polish beef kielbasa from the Hillshire company, and I buy this brand all the time. I really like their flavor, and I used my air fryer earlier, so it's got a little bit of grease in it because I only wanted to just clean it up once today, not 3 or 4 times throughout the course of the day. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Don't forget to like, share, smash that subscribe button, and from this point on, you're just going to have music because my little kitty cat's in the back room over here playing. Okay, hi guys, well, welcome back. So it took about 15 minutes. As you can see, our bacon wrapped kielbasa is done, so we're going to take those out and plate it. Going to let them cool down. We'll take a photograph of all this, and we'll sample 1 or 2 of these together in the back room. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hi guys, and welcome back to the back channel. We're in the back room actually, and I'm Ron, and welcome to Ron's Keto Cafe. Well, I never had this before cooked quite this way, but we did some bacon wrapped kielbasa, and we took regular store-bought kielbasa from the Hillshire Farm Company, I believe, and we cut it in about 1 and 2 inch cubes. And then what we did was we took some regular store-bought bacon, thin sliced, and then we wrapped it all the way around and put toothpicks in them and baked it up in the air fryer. Put it on for 400. 20 minutes. After 13 minutes, it was done. And 2 times during the cooking process, I shaked it really well to make sure it was cooking evenly. And we're going to have one together. Let's check it out. And that's what one of them look like. Okay. I would pop out the toothpick and try one because I'm just curious, dying to try what it looks like. Now, I know about bacon is like one of those sinful foods again. Anything with bacon tastes good, even by itself. And this is a great carnivore meal, by the way. And if you're doing dirty or lazy keto, this is perfect for that. So I'm cutting the kielbasa and the juice is just flowing right through it. Let's see. I'm going to get one with the bacon. I'm not going to eat them all. I'm just going to eat like maybe 2 or 3 of these, and the rest are going to be for later on. It'll be for a snack. But check that out, guys, huh? This is so good. So what I got here is I got a regular Polish Springs bottle. It's about 16 ounces. This is the 4th one I'm having today. I drank 3 cups of coffee today, or maybe 4. I'm not really sure. But anyways, since we're not doing soda for the month of June, we decided we're going to do lots and lots of water. And this is watermelon electrolytes. Really, really good. And this is the bacon that kind of fell off the kielbasa. So good, guys. And this is the piece that it came off of from. You can see it's fully cooked. Kielbasa is already cooked anyways. You're just basically warming it up. And this tastes good with a little bit of mustard. I was going to do a brown sugary glaze on it, but maybe I'll do that again on the next time I make these. But yeah, let me know if you ever had this before. Give me a thumbs up, a like, share, and subscribe. And if you want me to make something for carnivore or keto boy, you let me know and I'll be happy to, or a non-keto meal. And I'll probably do some French fries for my wife in the air fryer. She loves the sweet potato fries that I like too. I'll have those once in a while, even though it's not keto. And you know, some of those type of foods. But you know, just to put up some more videos up on the YouTube channel. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, huh? Look at that, guys, huh? Look at all that juice. So good. So if you never had that before with the bacon wrapped around a kielbasa or a hot dog, I suggest trying it. Now, before I go, there's one more recipe I'm going to try. Well, actually a lot more recipes, but I want to do some hot dogs, but I want to take some ground beef. I'm going to roll them up like hot dogs and wrap bacon around it and pop those in the oven, and that'll be a good, again, a good carnivore meal. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Remember, I love you. God loves you. Have an amazing day, guys.